Hi everybody, we're showing you today a Littleford intensive mixer. This is the typical Littleford mixers many of you are familiar with. It's fully jacketed, it's internal pressure rated, it's their model FM 130 or 130D possibly. It has the plow type mixer most of you are familiar with. You can get up and take a look inside, Tim, and the single chopper in this particular model. What we discovered initially on testing it, we'll need new bearings in the chopper motor. And if you give a look around the back here, we'll show you that real quick. We've had to remove the fan cover just to test it, make sure it runs well. When you hear it, just even right now, you can hear the bearings rumbling. So we're going to show you that in a second. Just back off a second. Go ahead, Steve. To disconnect the chopper motor. This is, by the way, the original factory controls. We do have the manual with the unit. And now you're going to hear the difference. Go ahead, Steve. Now we're running it without the chopper motor. You can see the plows. It does have an internal pressure rating of 75 psi. I'm sorry, that's the maximum jacket pressure rating at 320F. It is National Board stamp. Of course, it has a center bottom discharge with a manual valve, which is 3-inch in diameter. All stainless steel contacts, of course. This is the standard factory frame the unit came on when it was originally manufactured. We have all types of mixes in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you.